make sure y'all are stopping by to check out the merch store.
Twisted.
Some of you guys that have been snooping around has already seen that the merch shop has changed. And you know, before I was going to tell anybody, I decided that, hey, I need to buy this stuff, make sure it's legit, because this is the first time I found hats that were embroidered, and that's a big deal. So I know that there's at least one hat in here or something like that. I cannot remember everything that I bought, so we're going to get through it first. This right here, I think I know what this is, but we're going to unbox it. We'll see it together. So if it's not good, then we're going to all know it's not good all together. You know, I'm hoping it's good. We're about to find out. So we're pulling it out. Oh, I like it. So that's all that's in here. And what it is a sticker, and it's actually in his shape, the Trucker Man shape. So it's a pretty cool sticker. It looks pretty good quality. It's not like a vinyl sticker that you put on your window, but it's a regular little sticker of the Trucker Man. Pretty cool. I've already liked this. I really like this. Like, they did a real good job on this sticker. The detail in the beard. I mean, like, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but like phenomenal sticker. Great job. Now, what I've been waiting for, and I haven't seen this stuff. So I'm curious. I'm opening it right now. Tennessee Flatbedder gave me this knife. If y'all haven't seen his channel, make sure y'all go and check it out. But we're going to see what the rest of this merch looks like. Kind of nervous. I ain't even going to lie. I am nervous. Two more. So I already see one thing in here at the very top of this box. This is one of the snapback hats. It's still in the plastic. I'm gonna have to open this up. Who needs plastic? So it has a curved bill. The embroidery looks great. Look at that embroidery. It's all stitched on there. It's a snapback. What y'all think of that? Y'all think I need to keep wearing the curved bills? Or the reason I don't wear the curved bills is because the straight bill, it fits a lot better. So let's see what else is in this box of mystery. So the snapback, I am already impressed with that. That is good quality right there. And you know, I'm picky whenever it comes to hats. It's a summertime hat. You don't want to be wearing that during the winter. I like that. So let's dig in there some more. Oh, yeah. This is nice. This is really nice. So it's a royal blue with the green twisted, embroidered. Snapback, green bill. I am wearing this tomorrow. I'm wearing this to work tomorrow. What y'all think? Yeah, I love it. Love it. Good quality. Good quality. I love this hat. This was worth, like, man, the quality of this hat right here. I'm excited about that. Like, I'm gonna be ordering more. Let's see what else I ordered. What is this? Get the bag out of there. Oh, twisted beanie with the red and the black beanie. Hey, maybe I'm wearing this tomorrow. It's gonna be cold tomorrow. It is. I might have to switch over and wear this. This is sick. Look at that. It's embroidered on there. Like, I can't. I am so happy with this. Look at this. Oh yeah, you guys, if you haven't checked out the merch store, you better check out the merch store. It's over there in the bio. I gotta hide that from my kids. One of them is gonna take that. And the last thing. Let's see how this turned out. Oh, wow. Real thick. Another beanie. I got the black and gray with the gold embroidery on it. For those really cold days. I'll push my glasses up. What do y'all guys think? Leave it in the comments what y'all guys think of this merch. That's it. So let me know what y'all think. Which one's your favorite? You got this beanie. You got the red beanie. I like that one. I love that one. This hat is dope. Like, I'm not big on blue, but man, this hat. I ordered one from Lids, and I'm thinking that I like this one better than Lids. Yeah, I like this one. I ain't even playing around. I like that one. Man, that one's nice. And then don't forget, I got the summertime one. You know, feel like I need to go play some golf in this one. For real. It's like summertime golf hat. Say less. But oh, I love that. So let's go check out the merch store and see what's going on over there, because I don't think y'all have seen the merch store in a while. So we got the merch store up here. You click the link in the bio down there and it will bring you straight to the merch store. We got, of course, the logo at the top. We have the hats. This purple one I did not buy yet. I wanted to buy some of the other ones, but you can select different colors. So, you know, you got options here. I love this shirt. I'm probably going to order this in every color, but I made it where it has a front and a back, and on the sleeves it says twisted also on it. Back to the front. Got white, got pink. I mean, there's some options here. We're going down. I don't know why this shirt never appears right here, but it's kind of a long sleeve. If you're feeling in the Christmas spirit, there you go, the red and green one right there. I also have in the hat giveaway that's coming up Thursday night. Tomorrow night, the hat giveaway goes down. I got a hat that matches that shirt. We got another long sleeve. We have just a twisted on it. This is the hat. No, I didn't order this one either, but you have some different options on this. So I've been trying to get more stuff in here. Here you go. Here's a hoodie, a pullover. That purple one is sick. It only goes up to 3X. But that purple one right there is sick. I really like that purple one. Check out this. This is a Champion brand, kind of like a raincoat. But how would y'all guys look out there in that high vis yellow? I love that one. I really do. Just it goes up to 2X is the problem. This shirt right here goes all the way to 5X. So you big hefty trucker superstars, we even got your size on that one. And so I think this one too. And then if you like the red beanie, the beanie with the red on it, there it is. And it is stitched in there. It's embroidered. So it's nice. It's real nice. This is the other beanie that I bought. I bought the black and gray one. But they have some other nice combinations of color. And there's one of the hats I bought. I bought that hat, and I bought this one right here. I bought this one. in this color. So if you really like that hat, it is right there. But yeah, we got stickers, we got hats, mouse pads, desk pads. You even got your own mug right here. Look at the mug. I don't know how to turn it around and stuff, but there's even a mug for you coffee drinkers out there. The merch store is coming along. I have not bought this hat right here. I thought I bought this hat, but I guess I did not buy this hat. So I might have to go back and buy that one too, because I thought I bought it, but I guess I did not. But the merch store is open again, and welcome to anybody that wants to come in there. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. It's the first time I ever done an unboxing, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And these hats are dope, and y'all know I'm picky on my hats. So, man, these hats are dope. This is my favorite one. I'm telling you right now. This is my favorite hat that I got. And I'm gonna have to go with this beanie right here, because I like the red and black, and it's stitched in there. Like, that's stitched. Good quality of stuff. I'm super impressed, and like super happy. So make sure y'all are hitting up that merch store and getting that merch. Like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos, and make sure you do not miss the Thursday Night Live at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Don't miss it.
So if you love this content that I've put out on this channel, then make sure you click the next video right there. Also, if you want to check out some playlists, I have right there. Don't forget, Thursday Night Lives, 7 p.m. Central Time. You can come ask your own questions and answers and get all the information you want. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, then go ahead and click that face right there.